Welcome to BuildMyChecks. We help businesses replace paper checklists with digital inspections, photo evidence, and automatic audit trails, all in one place. How to add and manage users, assign roles, and control access levels. Step 1. Open User Management. From the dashboard, navigate to Manage Users. Step 2. Add a new user. Click Add New User. Then, enter the user's details. Set a password. Assign a role, choosing the appropriate role, admin, full system access, including users, forms, schedules, and approvals. Super user can complete checks, approve submissions, and manage schedules. User can complete checks and view submissions. Step 4. Assign groups. Click Edit Groups next to the user to assign them to one or more groups. Additional groups can be created when building a new check. The user can now log in and start working. Please subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.